Hi, I'm Laura, one of our exotic vet techs here at Absecon Veterinarian Hospital.
Hey, my name is Jake, one of the vet nurse at Absecon Vet Hospital, and today we are going to show you how to do nail trim on a bird. Of course, they are not always best in their behaving. Alright, so first of all, you would want to gather some supplies first. You would want to get a towel. It depends on the bird size that you would select your towels. So if he's gonna be a macaw like an Amazon like this, you would definitely want to get a bigger towel, or if you are having a teeny tiny one like a Budgies or a Cockatiel at home, you definitely could use a small hand towel that will be able to fit them better and will be easier for you to restrain them. So you will always want the quick stop available in case you need it. It will be right there right away. A little more. You never know. Then Laura is going to towel him, allowing a fully secure for the bird not to break their wings. And then you would notice she's allowing me to get access to the claws. First, you would want to access to see how long the nails are and also how long the pick are. Okay. Then I would gently clip a little bit just to see if I'm cutting into the vessel or not.
Buddy!
Okay. I don't see any blood, so that makes me feel a little safer to go ahead and cut a little more. And continue to do that until you see a little dot and stop right there. You don't want to cut too deep, too short, because then they will start to bleed.
Buddy! You okay?
Continue with the next one. Repeat the same process.
Right. Getting your pedicure?
I know.
You're okay. You're okay.
The next one. There we go. Hey, buddy.
You're okay. Okay.
Alright. So the nail trim is done. What you can do next is release him on the floor and
Sorry.
making sure that he's not bleeding. Sometime after the whole nail trim, the blood pressure will go up, and even though you don't see any bleeding, by then, when you release them, they will start to bleed later on. So just make sure that you don't see any bleeding, and then they could get back to their normal routine. If you happen to click the quick, they will be very sore by that day. Maybe they'll have their foot up a little bit, so you will notice a little lameness if you happen to go into the park. If you have any other questions, please give us a call 609-646-7013. We're here to help.